What's going on, guys? It's Joey here, and today I'm gonna be taking y'all through a super intense leg workout, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be training this nigga right here, Vic, since I still can't really do a lot of the leg exercises like squats, leg press, lunges. Hopefully y'all enjoy this full leg day. This is a normal leg day that I would do if I wasn't injured, and it's gonna go pretty hard.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down.
So we barely finished squats, and this guy over here is already throwing up. That tells you something about my leg days. I don't play around when it comes to leg days.
Go away, I'm tired of the pain. Go away, I'm tired of yesterday. Father. My demons dwell, my own little nightmare.
We're gonna do something called a cluster set, which is 20 reps, 20 seconds rest, 20 reps, 20 seconds rest, 20 reps, and then you're done. 3 sets back to back.
Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my styling. Where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time starts down, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away, I'm tired of yesterday.
So we finally gotten to the part of the workout that I can do, which are the accessories. So that's what I'm gonna be showing you next. All the accessories are gonna be 15 to 20 reps, slow and controlled, all the way down, all the way up, between 5 to 7 sets, so you can get a lot of blood in the muscle, and so you can leave the gym with a big pump in your legs. And that's how they grow, when they have blood. More nutrients, more blood flow, more growth.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Alright guys, so we're gonna finish off this workout with calves. So it's gonna be 3 reps, 3 seconds up, 3 seconds down, and then 5 full reps all the way down, all the way up, and then 5 half reps twice in one set.
You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So we just finished the intense leg workout. I took Vic through the beginning part of the portion, and then I did the ending. So how do you feel, bro?
I feel like I went to heaven, I saw God, he told me I had to finish the workout, so I came back to life. Threw up about twice. First time, my breakfast, gone. No, I'm super hungry right now. And the second time was just water. So yeah, that was great. And I just want to say, whoever thinks Joey's like not natural, if that's your opinion, then you're so wrong. Try this leg workout. Do it with your weight though. I know my weight was like ass, like it was horrible, like that was so lightweight. But you know, I'm barely getting into the routine of, you know, getting the proper form and everything. So yeah, try this workout and your legs will definitely grow. I think I grew a third leg.
Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make protein pancakes. If you cannot get egg whites, then use 2 eggs and then just match the volume with the milk and you should be good. 1 banana, a scoop of protein, 80 grams or a cup of oatmeal, and these are just extras that I'm gonna be adding in. Just a teaspoon of vanilla and about a teaspoon of honey. And it'll all be in the blender, so you need a blender. So you're gonna wanna spray the pan real good just to make sure that none of the batter gets stuck. And then you're gonna wanna pour your batter depending on the size of the pancake that you want. I'm gonna make it pretty big, so I'm putting a lot of batter. So these are the pancakes, 3 decent sized protein pancakes, and I already did put syrup on them. It is sugar-free, maple flavored, Maple Grove Farms. These are the macros. It's 15 calories per or per 1/4 cup, so that's really good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. The pancakes smell really good, and I kind of want to eat them already. So if you're not a part of Soul Team 6 yet, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.